devastating. Across the street from the church. Here's the steeple with the cross hanging over the top. So they got the flag up and flying. Church sign down there. Just amazing. We're on the second floor. See, there's no roof left. Taking these air conditioners down. Generation Free Will Baptist Church, Joplin, Missouri.
I'm not saying I'm coming up with a good solution, but I do see a big time problem. I'm not liking it wrong.
Hey, I do have it on video though, so.
That's great. So if any of you die, we have evidence that you weren't that fault. Hey, see, there you go. You get your arm.
Because we told you that you don't have to do this, and
that'd be a lot safer for you guys, because you can duck if something goes wrong.